To improve your PlayStation 5's connection and reduce high ping, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you optimize your network settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use the speed test website or app to measure your current internet speed. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the requirements for online gaming. Step 2. Connect via Ethernet. For a more stable connection, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This reduces latency compared to a wireless connection. Step 3. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings through a web browser. Look for Quality of Service (QoS) settings and prioritize your PS5's MAC address for better bandwidth allocation. Step 4. Change DNS settings. On your PS5, go to Settings, Network Setup, Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, then select Advanced Settings and change the DNS settings to faster public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4. Step 5. Update firmware. Ensure that both your PS5 and your router have the latest firmware updates. Check for updates in the settings menu of your PS5 and through your router's web interface. By following these steps, you should experience a reduction in ping and an overall improvement in your online gaming performance. Enjoy your gaming.